You can also make other bells at home in the generator or at school. It is very simple. Watch this video till the end. You can also make other bells. You can also take another smartphone box or any waste cardboard box. Use a soldering iron to make another hole in the waste bottle opener. Apply glue gun to the waste bottle and fix it neatly. Then put a DC motor on it and glue gun. Then attach another silver object to it and another glue gun. Paste it is shown in this video. Then glue gun attach. If you are like what you are see in this video, you can also see how to make other bells in other homes, fields or schools in this video. Let me know how you are liked this video. Leave a comment if you are liked this video. See, you can also make other bells. Watch this video and tell me how you like this video. May God bless you and protect you. If you are like the video, please subscribe and like it. God bless you and protect you.